to Edupom India. You're watching Expert Chemistry with Abhinav Gaur. The topic of the day is classification of haloalkane and haloarene. Today we will study the classification of haloalkane and haloarene. The first classification of haloalkane and haloarene is based on the number of halogen atoms present. On this basis, we have three types of haloalkanes and three types of haloarenes. First, we have mono haloalkane, then we have di haloalkane, and we have tri haloalkanes. In case of monohaloalkanes, only one halogen atom is present. For example, if I write C2H5X, so in this case only one halogen atom is present, so it will be called as monohaloalkane. Whereas in case of dihaloalkane, I can write CH2X bond CH2X. So in this case, as two halogen atoms are present, so it will be called as dihaloalkane. Whereas if I write CH2X bond CH2X bond CH2X, in this case three halogen atoms are present, so it will be called as trihaloalkane. So this is the classification of haloalkanes based on number of halogen atoms. Now if I talk about the classification of haloarenes, then we have monohaloarenes, we have dihaloarenes, and we have the trihaloarenes. As the name suggests, monohaloarene consists of only one halogen atom. For example, this is a benzene ring and only one halogen atom is associated, then it will be called as monohaloarene. Whereas in case of dihaloarene, we have two halogen atoms present. For example, this is first and this is the second halogen atom. So it will be called as the dihaloarene. In case of trihaloarene, we have three halogen atoms present. 1, 2 and 3. So because three halogen atoms are present, so it will be called as trihaloarene. So this is the first type of classification where we classify based on number of halogen atoms present. Now we will move on and study the next type of classification, in which we classify the haloalkane and haloarene based on the halogen associated to a carbon atom, which is sp3 hybridized. So now we will study when the halogen is associated to sp3 hybridized carbon, then how many types of haloalkane and haloarene are possible. So first is the allylic halides. First is the allylic halides, and the second is benzylic halide. Both in case of allylic halide as well as in case of benzylic halide, the halogen atom will be associated to a carbon which is sp3 hybridized, and in this case also the carbon to which halogen is associated is sp3 hybridized. So now let us understand the difference between allylic halide and benzylic halide. This is a carbon. It is associated to another carbon by means of double bond, and then there is a carbon present. This is carbon number 1, this is carbon number 2, this is carbon number 3. This carbon number 1 is a part of carbon-carbon double bond, so this carbon will be sp2 hybridized. This carbon will be sp2 hybridized also, but this carbon, as it is associated with a single bond, this will be sp3 hybridized. Now, the carbon atom, please listen to this carefully. The carbon atom adjacent to a carbon-carbon double bond is called as allylic, carbon. Okay, the carbon atom next to carbon-carbon double bond is called as allylic carbon, and when halogen is associated to the sp3 hybridized allylic carbon, then it is called as allylic halide. तो हमारे पास एक कार्बन है, डबल बॉन्ड से दूसरे कार्बन से जुड़ा है, सिंगल बॉन्ड से तीसरे कार्बन से जुड़ा है। इस कार्बन को मैं कहूंगा एलाइलिक कार्बन, और इससे अगर हेलोजन जुड़ जाएगा तो वो स्पीसी कहलाएगी एलाइलिक हैलाइड। नाउ we have a benzene ring. These are the double bond of this benzene ring. Now we have a carbon adjacent to this benzene ring. This carbon which is adjacent to a benzene ring, or we can say the carbon atom which is adjacent to carbon carbon double bond of a ring. ये किसके adjacent है? ये carbon carbon double bond of a ring के adjacent है. This carbon will be called as benzylic carbon. This carbon will be called as benzylic carbon. Now, when the halogen atom is associated to a sp3 hybridized benzylic carbon, then it is called as benzylic halide. तो हमारे पास क्या था? हमारे पास सिंपल सी एक बेंजीन रिंग थी। बेंजीन रिंग के सभी कार्बन कैसे हैं? सभी कार्बन 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 डबल बॉन्ड के पार्ट है, इसीलिए sp2 हाइब्रिडाइज्ड है। इसके एडजेसेंट में एक sp3 हाइब्रिडाइज्ड कार्बन था जिसको मैंने बेंजाइलिक कार्बन कहा। इस बेंजाइलिक कार्बन से जब हेलोजन एसोसिएटेड हो गया तो हमारे बन गए बेंजाइलिक हैलाइड। So this is the second type of classification where halogen is associated to a sp3 hybridized carbon. Now we move on and study the next type of classification. Now the third classification is when the halogen atom is associated to a carbon which is sp2 hybridized. अब हम ऐसे केसेस पढ़ेंगे जहां पर हेलोजन एक ऐसे कार्बन से जुड़ा है जो कि sp2 हाइब्रिडाइज्ड है। तो यहां पर हमें दो केस देखने को मिलते हैं। पहला केस है हमारा विनाइलिक हैलाइड का, पहला केस है हमारा विनाइलिक हैलाइड का, और दूसरा केस है हमारा अराइल हैलाइड का, अराइल हैलाइड का। Now in case of vinylic halide, the halogen atom is associated to a carbon which is sp2 hybridized. Similarly, in case of aryl halide, the halogen atom is associated to a carbon which is sp2 hybridized. Now let's study the difference between vinylic halide and aryl halide. This is a carbon which is associated to another carbon by means of double bond. This is carbon number 1, this is carbon number 2. This carbon is sp2 hybridized, this carbon is also sp2 hybridized. Both the carbon, that means carbon number 1 and carbon number 2, these carbon will be called as vinylic carbon. Okay, the carbon of carbon carbon double bond is called as vinylic carbon. Okay, the carbon atoms of a carbon carbon double bond are called as vinylic carbon. And whenever a halogen is associated to a vinylic carbon, vinylic halides are formed. ठीक है, आपके पास कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड का कार्बन है, इस कार्बन से अगर हेलोजन जुड़ जाएगा तो इसको हम कह देंगे विनाइलिक हैलाइड। और क्यों कहेंगे? क्योंकि कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड के जो कार्बन्स होते हैं, यानी कि ये भी और ये भी, इन दोनों को ही क्या कहते हैं? विनाइलिक कार्बन्स कहते हैं। नाउ व्हाट आर एराइल हैलाइड? Here we have a benzene ring. This is double bond, double bond and double bond. We know that all carbons of a benzene ring are sp2 hybridized and part of carbon carbon double bond. ये सभी कार्बन कैसे हैं, डबल बॉन्ड से एसोसिएटेड है. So if halogen is directly associated to a sp2 hybridized carbon of a ring, then aryl halides are formed. अब ये जो अराइल हेलाइड है, इन्हीं को हम क्या कहते हैं, इन्हीं को हम कहते हैं हेलो अरीन्स. क्योंकि हेलो अरीन्स में क्या होता है, हेलोजन एटम इज एसोसिएटेड टू अ sp2 हाइब्रिडाइज्ड कार्बन ऑफ अ रिंग. रिंग के sp2 हाइब्रिडाइज्ड कार्बन से जब भी हेलोजन जुड़ा होता है तो वो हेलो अरीन बन जाता है, और हेलो अरीन्स को ही हम कहते हैं अराइल हेलाइड्स. ओके, एक क्विक रिवीजन मैं आपको दे देता हूं ताकि कंफ्यूजन दूर हो जाए. The carbon atom adjacent to carbon-carbon double bond is called as allylic carbon. When halogen is associated to allylic carbon, allylic halides are formed. The carbon atom next to benzene ring is called as benzylic carbon, and when the halogen atom is associated to a benzylic carbon, then benzylic halides are formed. ये दोनों केस थे sp3 वाले. Now, the carbon atoms of a carbon-carbon double bond are called as vinylic carbon. When halogen is directly associated to vinylic carbon, then vinylic halides are formed. Last case, when the halogen atom is directly associated to a sp2 hybridized carbon of a ring, then aryl halides are formed. Okay, so this is all about classification. And there is one more thing which is very easy and very basic. For example, I have this is H, this is H, this is C. Halogen is associated to this carbon. Similarly, we have a carbon, a hydrogen, and halogen. And we have carbon, and halogen. So in this case, the halogen atom is associated to a carbon which is only associated to one carbon atom or one carbon chain. So this will be called as primary haloalkane or 1 degree haloalkane. In this case, the carbon atom to which halogen is associated is directly connected to two carbon atoms or two carbon chain. So it will be called as second degree or 2 degree haloalkane or secondary haloalkane. In this case, the carbon atom to which halogen is associated is directly connected to 3 carbon atoms or 3 carbon chain. So this will be called as tertiary or third degree haloalkane. Now the classification is over. We will study more about haloalkane and haloarene in our next lecture. Thank you.